Welcome to Module 2, Lesson 5, Quarterly Optimizations. In this lesson, we're going to cover the quarterly optimizations you should be implementing in your Google Ad account to turn clicks into profits. Let's open up our optimization workflow template and jump back into it. All right, so quarterly optimizations. This is going to be a short lesson. We've got two core things that we need to focus on. Number one is competitor analysis. It's a good best practice to get in the habit of reviewing your competitors once a quarter. So that way you can see any new keywords, any new ads, landing pages that they've launched, so you can add them to your inspiration list template. In addition to this, you could also take the time once a quarter to not just look at competitors, but other companies that you look up to. So anybody that you have in your inspiration list template that you draw inspiration from in terms of, hey, I like how they approach landing pages or copy or ads or whatever the case might be. You can use this quarterly time to look that up. Just for the sake of demonstration, if I was looking into Monday.com, I can come here and look them up in a tool like SEMrush, and then I can see what keywords they're bidding on. I can come to ad copies, and I can adjust my date range to get a sense of the most recent ads, and I can see what are they bidding on, and then I can click through to the URLs to also see the landing pages as well that they're driving traffic towards. So this is a great way for you to just once a quarter, you can create a Google Calendar reminder on your GCal, and then just tag yourself. So that way, once a quarter, you know, okay, it's time to do a refresh of competitor review or just, any other folks that you want to review to just get more inspiration and kind of see what's going on. In addition to this, we're going to want to make sure that we're reviewing our goals and our quarterly pipeline impact. This one's kind of a given, and it just kind of will happen because usually in the B2B world, right? Every quarter, we're doing QBRs and we're like kind of analysis. We're doing reporting in terms of what's working and reporting to the business. But you want to make sure that you're doing that. You're reviewing your goals and your quarterly pipeline impact from Google Ads on a quarterly basis. So the week over week is like a pulse. It's very erratic and it just changes like crazy. But the month over month should be a little bit more consistent. You're going to have good months and bad months. It's part of the process. But ideally, the quarter over quarter continues to trend in the right direction in a perfect world. So your action item for this lesson is to look over the quarterly optimizations and apply the ones that are applicable to you. And if you have any questions at all, you can always reach out to us and we can add more context to this module, add additional things that you feel like might be missing. And we appreciate all your feedback and support. If you've received a ton of value so far, please share AdConversion with your friends or colleagues, leave a testimonial, or anything you can do to help spread the word. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.